Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is going to be for seventh grade. This class is listening class, but it's very special because you need to listen and copy. It's like a dictated. Remember, listening class is going to be listen and copy. So we are going to do three activities. Don't forget it's necessary to write on your notebook the date. So don't forget, today it's August 21st. So write August 21st, 2020. And the class is listening class, listen and copy, dictate it. And what else? Let's start. Yes, we're gonna do three activities. Activity one is listen and copy words. Activity two, listen and copy phrases. And activity three, listen and copy questions. You got it? Let's do it. Perhaps you can understand this better, okay? So remember, uh, the idea is to listen and copy the questions. All right, so I'm sorry, first words. Let's go. How are you in this? Let's go. Listen and copy. One, two, three. I'm going to repeat two times. Everyone, everyone. Ready, ready. Health, health. Have, have. Need, need. Quite, quite. Trouble, trouble. Decide, decide. Running, running. Again, again. Furniture, furniture. H, H. Come in, come in, come in. Care, care. However, however, however. Sometimes, sometimes. Comfortable, comfortable. Run, chase, chase. Jump, jump. Walk, 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 walk. Swim, swim. Climb, climb. Fly, fly. Parrot, parrot. Spider, spider. Lizard, lizard, lizard. Suggest, suggest. Disagree, disagree. Reason, 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 reason. outside, outside. Enjoy, enjoy. Cages, cages. Now, exercise 2 is listen and copy phrases. Remember, this is a detailed. All right, so let's go. Come on, let's do it. Listen and copy. They are famous for their speed and agility. Repeat. They are famous for their speed and agility. Phrase 2. When they find a small animal that they can eat. Repeat. When they find a small animal that they can eat. Phrase 3. They use their eyes and ears to find the animal's exact location. Repeat. They use their eyes and ears to find the animal's exact location. 4. Continue. They watch the animal carefully to see if there is danger. Repeat. They watch the animal carefully to see if there is danger. 5. Red foxes also eat fruit and vegetables. Repeat. Red foxes also eat fruit and vegetables. 7. However, they are shy and hide to avoid contact with humans. Repeat. They are shy and hide to avoid contact with humans. All right? They are shy and hide to avoid contact with humans. Good. Continue. They also sleep together to stay warm. Repeat. They also sleep together to stay warm. Right? The last one. Rats also carry disease and produce quickly. Repeat. Rats also carry disease and reproduce quickly. Okay? Repeat the last part. Rats also carry disease and reproduce quickly. Good, very good. Now, activity 3 is listen and copy questions. So you need to copy the questions. Copy question number 1. Why do rats dig burrows? Good question. Why do rats dig burrows? 2. Why do they form groups? Why do they form groups? See? 3. What do you like to do in your free time? What are you doing at the moment? Repeat. What are you doing at the moment? Continue. Are you learning English with me? Repeat. Are you learning English with me? Are you learning English with me? 4. Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Do you love animals? What do you prefer? Dogs or cats? Repeat. What do you prefer? Dogs or cats? What does your mother do on Sunday? What does your mother do on Sunday? What do you do in your free time? Do you like video games? Do you like video games? What is the most important city in Colombia? Repeat. What's the most important city in Colombia? Is La Calera bigger than Bogota? Repeat. Is La Calera bigger than Bogota? Good. Where do you like to go on vacation? Where do you like to go on vacation? So where do you like to go on vacation? So